Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. She is the kind of person everyone likes. Right answer is a who. When I called him last night. Right answer is A, was sleeping. If I'm more time, I would help you. Right answer is C, had. I look forward to from you soon. Right answer is C, hearing. The book is interesting that I read it twice. Right answer is A, so. My mother as well as my sisters going to the wedding. Right answer is B, is. You should apologize your mistake. Right answer is A, for. There. A lot of noise in the street yesterday. Right answer is C, was. Let me know if you any help. Right answer is B, need. The manager, along with his assistants, attending the meeting. Right answer is B, is. I would have helped you if about the problem. Right answer is B, had known. By this time next year, I will my course. Right answer is C, have completed. I have never seen beautiful painting before. Right answer is C, such. You must fill this form before seeing the doctor. Right answer is A, in. I am not sure whether she to the party. Right answer is C, will come. No sooner had he arrived, it began to snow. Right answer is B, then. The book, which was written by a famous author, translated into many languages. Right answer is C, has been. I couldn't find my keys. I must. Them at home. Right answer is A, have left. They lunch when we entered the restaurant. Right answer is B, were having. He talks as if he everything. Right answer is B, knew. One of my friends going to Canada next year. Right answer is C, is. I wish I more confident during the interview. Right answer is A, had been. This is the best movie in years. Right answer is B, have seen. They arrived at the station only to find that the train. Right answer is C, had left. Neither the boy nor the girls present in the class. Right answer is B, were.